Welcome to a look inside the Homeowner's Handbook, your ultimate interactive tool for protecting and managing your home. Start by inputting your property details into the home overview to keep all your essential records in one secure place. Then, map out your critical shutoff locations for water, gas, and electrical, because in an emergency, every second counts. The handbook makes it easy to document every room and your valuables, creating a private inventory that's always ready for review. Stay ahead of repairs with your personalized maintenance schedule, ensuring your home stays protected year-round. And as a special bonus, we've included the Coach's Playbook right at the end of your handbook. This roadmap guides you through the property insurance claim process, starting with Section 1, Preparation. Moving into Section 2, we cover the critical emergency response steps for the first 24 hours. Finally, Section 3 covers restoration, with strategies to ensure you don't leave money on the table. Remember, the playbook is strictly for education, not advice, so always do your own research. It's all designed to give you total control and peace of mind from start to finish. That's the playbook, 18 episodes, all free. Start with episode 1 at the link in the bio. Visit coachingclaims.com to get your homeowner's handbook today.